Kapangni mara kiching chong belai keno breaking news ema big update no bagi tui peka engke Chini Bubagra tini signature khlaiani tongmani engke bo soi khlaika engke o jaga agreement paper Tamo tong abono no tabuk saikna ruwana engke asuk kolama tangsa kang porilia engke norok o jaga screen no nugui tongkhana nadi khajani mara kiching khapangni mara kiching chong o jaga o amti hini sijak tongo agreement between government of India government of Tripura and the Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance মানে ত্রিপুরা মথা যে ভারতনি যেটা কোনি বিশং কাইসা এগ্রিমেন্ট মানি ও যে পেপার গান রগন নবি মাখানা নাদি a series of meetings were recently held with Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance Tripura popularly known as Tripura Motha and other stakeholders based on which government of India, government of Tripura and Tripura agreed of amicably resolve all issues of the indigenous people of Tripura relating to history, land rights, political rights, economic development, identity, culture, language act. Khazana mari kiching song o jaga agreement ni bisingo number 1 tam no tibro agreement khlai ka hingke Chini Bubagra o jaga borok khlaimani hingke tongo o jaga bo land rights tongo political rights tongo economic development tei identity culture tei language amorok ni sao sijak tongo the above agreement is signed on tinini jeta 2nd March 2024 at Delhi in the presence of Sri Amit Shah, Honorable Union Minister of Home Affairs and Minister of Cooperation, Prof. Dr. Manik Saha, Honorable Chief Minister Tripura Sri Vikas Devarma, Honorable Minister Government of Tripura and Sri Shukla Charan Nuatia, Honorable Minister Government of Tripura. Gao jaga signature of Tripura hini norok sijak no kana signature khlaina ingke Chini o jaga norok strai kono kana Chini Maharaja Produt Kishur Manikko Devarma Maharaja Produt Bikram Manikko Devarma hini tei o jaga tongo number 2 o Bijoy Kumar Rankhol tei number 3 o tongo Chini Sar Onimesh Devarma brongni soirok ingko jaga Chief Secretary Tripura ni ingi JK Singha tei o jaga o Additional Secretary o tongo Piyush Goyal nei khazan mari kichun so obonka blackeno breaking news blackeno kop ma kaham chin Tripura sorni bagai tam no tui bor agreement kha haini haini rong sapiro land rights political rights economic development identity ke culture tei language na tui brok agreement khlaika ko obono proof Bubagra ni je imang botini mukthang khlaika obono norok je manchak share khlaidi asukno jotnona hambai Tripura sa eglotun Bubagra eglotun chin dofa omo haikna hamkrai manai tong thun hambai